I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is JV. Today we are going to start a new series of home workout program. This series comprises of exercises which are going to target the individual muscle groups. This series of each video will be having 3 parts. First, I am going to explain the anatomy of the muscle group. Second, the traditional exercises which everybody does in the gym. And the third, the home workout exercises which we are going to demonstrate in this series. Today we will be focusing on the muscle group which is chest. Chest comprises of 2 parts, pectoral major and pectoral minor. Pectoral minor are stabilizing muscles which are superficial and lie underside the pectoral major. In this video we will be focusing majorly on pectoral major. Pectoral major has 2 heads, the clavicular head and the sternocorsal head. Clavicular head does the flexion of shoulder and sternocorsal head does the extension of the shoulder. Pec major also has 3 parts which we call it as upper chest, middle chest and the lower chest. So in this video, the second part of this video is the traditional exercises which are normally done in the gym. They are actually focusing on these 3 parts, upper, middle and lower. The incline dumbbell press or the bench press, the decline dumbbell press or the bench press and the flat bench press. These are the traditional exercises which are normally done in the gym. But when we move on to the home workouts, it is quite opposite. So we will be demonstrating the home based workout routine which will be targeting the chest muscle group, each muscle fiber. So the first exercise is decline push-up. In this, you need to keep your legs on the table and make sure your head is slightly in between your hands. You need to go down and up, go down and up. Make sure you hold at least 2 to 3 seconds when you go down. Go down, hold 1, 2, 3 and up. Relax. This exercise focuses on your clavicular head, or we call it as upper chest. The second exercise is incline push-ups. In this, you need to take the support of the table for doing the incline push-ups. You need to make sure your back is completely straight in a neutral spine. Your hands are in shoulder width stance. You need to come down and up. Come down. Make sure your back is straight and up. When you're coming up, you need to contract completely. When you're going down, you need to retract. Go down, retract, completely retract and up. Completely protract. Relax. The third exercise is flat push-ups. In this, you need to lie down on high plank position. Now, you need to come down. Make sure your elbows are near your chest and up. Down and up. Down and hold for 3 seconds and up. Down, hold for 3 seconds and up. In this series, you need to understand one thing is the more the muscles are under tension, the more they grow. So you need to do every repetitions, hold for 3 seconds when you're going down and 1 second while going up. The fourth exercise is bottle crossover. For this, we need a 2-liter bottle and you need to keep your bottle back. You need to pull it forward in a straight line. Make sure your elbows are straight. Go back and pull forward. Go back and pull forward. Make sure you at least bend a bit, a soft elbow. Go back and pull forward. And your chest or the pec muscles should be tight. Go back and move forward. And your hand also should be a slight, your palms facing down. Go back and move forward. Relax. This exercise focuses on pec minor muscles. The next exercise is bottle press. In this, you need to take a bottle and make sure you extend your hands completely forward and retract your hands completely back. Extend forward and make sure you're contracting your pec muscles and move back. Forward, move back. Forward, move back. This exercise focuses on your sternocostal head of your pec major muscles. Relax. Guys, these are the 5 simple workouts which focuses on each and every muscle fiber of your chest. You need to do a Tabata routine, that means 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off. The beginners who have not yet done with my workouts, please do check out my last video so that you will come to know what is Tabata. People who have just checked in my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that you get latest updates. And the advanced people who have already are with me with my channel, please comment your feedbacks in the comment section. Until then, JV signing off.